Guys, the new guy's here.
I don't like how excited Crystal looks.
Should we be worried?
He does look cute.
Cute? He's not joining us. He's replacing all of us. I saw her watching the commercial. The R-Box Pro has a revolutionary steam fry mode that keeps everything juicy inside while perfectly crispy on the outside. An expert mode where the bottom is 36 degrees hotter. This makes the crust perfectly crispy without risking burning the topping. In the mood for some healthy options, steam your food with the R-Box Pro, which reserves up to 50% more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to boiling. It can steam, air fry, and bake almost. Introducing ROBAM R-Box Pro. Jack of all trades, master of all.